This video is going to show how to analyze your PCB with 3D analysis in OrCAD X Presto. The new 3D interface in OrCAD X Presto provides a seamless transition between 2D and 3D design and allows you to adjust components, view rigid flex bends, and easily adjust visibility to efficiently analyze your PCB in 3D. Start by opening a design in OrCAD X Presto. The 3D interface is activated from the visibility panel. Select Visibility on the left side of the screen to open the panel. Select the display mode. Select 3D under General Mode to open the 3D view. Hold the middle mouse button and drag to pan the view. Hold the middle mouse button while holding Shift on the keyboard to rotate the view. These yellow DRC markers indicate collisions. At the full bend angle, the pins from the LCD in this zone hit the top cover and the chips below it. Bend locations, radii, and angles can be adjusted to correct this as required. Component properties can be viewed in the 3D canvas as well. To view component properties, select a component on the 3D canvas. For this example, we'll select D3. The properties are listed in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. All properties are listed as they were in 2D. You can use the Visibility panel to pinpoint components or nets on the PCB canvas in 2D or 3D. Reopen the panel by selecting Visibility on the left side of the window. To keep the panel open, select the button to disable the Auto Hide feature at the top of the panel. Select the Net mode and double-click one of the nets in the list. The net is highlighted on the board and the view is automatically panned to the top or bottom depending on the primary layer the net is on. To reset the view, open the View menu and select Top ISO. You can also change how components are viewed in the Visibility panel. Select the Component mode. At the top of the panel is a drop-down menu where you can select whether to display 3D models, boundary shapes, both, or one if the other is not available. Select 3D models and boundary shapes to view both. Boundary shapes are shown on each component. Select only 3D models to show only the 3D models. Visibility can be adjusted for individual components and mechanical models as well. To adjust mechanical models, select the arrow to collapse the electrical component list to expand the mechanical list. Select the checker box symbol to change the transparency of a mechanical symbol. A blank square indicates that the mechanical symbol is invisible, a solid square indicates that it is visible and opaque, and a checker box symbol indicates that it is semi-transparent. Select the eye icon for the symbol to remove it from the view. Similar visibility options are available for electrical components. Expand the top list to view the component list. A similar eye and square are shown for each component. Click the eye for one of the components. The component's 3D model is hidden, leaving its footprint visible on the board. Scroll up and select the eye for top to hide all top components. Mechanical symbols can also be added to the view as needed. To do this, select the plus sign in the mechanical header. Browse the desired step file, select the file, and click Open. The model is imported into the 3D canvas. Select the model and view the Properties panel. Mapping can be performed with manual adjustment in each direction, locking the model to the top or bottom of the footprint, snapping to pads or footprint features, or adjusting the coordinates numerically. Since we don't need an extra mechanical symbol in this design, we can right-click the listing and select Delete. Select the eye for top to re-enable visibility for top components, and select the eye for mechanical to turn off mechanical components. To move a component in 3D, select it on the board. As before, the Properties panel is populated with component properties. Enter new values into the Location X and Y fields. The component is moved with its 3D model. In a rigid flex board, like the one in this example, bends can be previewed in the 3D canvas as well. To adjust the bends, select the Display mode in the Visibility tab. Scroll down and click and drag each slider listed under Bending to adjust the rigid flex bends. The bend angles are adjusted as defined in the board. Click and drag the slider for All to adjust all bends on the board simultaneously. Quickly analyze your PCB in 3D with the new 3D engine in OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.